And I think I got all the wires, everything right, and bolted onto it, and everything is good to go. But as I start the car, it won't start. Let's see. It shows a check engine sign. It shows all those signs. Oh wait, let me get in. It won't turn. That clicking noise comes from this relay right here. That blue relay right there. That's the main relay. Okay, and I researched on YouTube. I think I found the problem. From what I've researched, the clicking sound from that relay has to do with this ground on this component right here. This is about the size of your palm. It's like a spider, just like your palm. These electrical wires spread out just like your finger or a spider, and they go to all part of the engine here. So there's a ground in here somewhere in here. You know it's a ground because that it's got like a washer thing ground that connects directly to this engine. So it's in there. I forgot to put the screw in there, and that's why this engine here doesn't get any ground. It doesn't get any negative power. So the negative power here has to be grounded to the engine block in order for the car to start right. So I'll be taking this whole filter off, and I'll get to it. I'll get to that ground and put a screw on it so I can start the car. Let me see if I can see it here. Let's see. Okay, here's the filter. And let's see. Put on the light. There. Oops. There. See the circular hole right there? That is the ground. That is the ground that needs to ground this whole part, this component, this spider component to the engine head. I need to remove this in order to get to that. I got the filter off. The space is empty right now, so I can get to the ground right there. Okay, so I went back to the junkyard, the dismantling place, and got the exact 2 screws that I need. This is the one that needs to be bolted into the ground, bolted into that hole to the engine head right there. And the other one is just the upper screw here. So I think this is tight enough. I'm not going to remove that screw. That's just the screw that bolts to the piece right there. But the ground, you see how the ground is? That's how the ground looks like. It's got like some metal washer-like components right there that needs to be bolted into the engine head right there. That is the ground. You see that piece of metal? It needs to connect to the other piece of metal on the other side. So that is the ground. God, and that truck is loud. Okay, so let me put this bolt in to the ground, proper ground. Wait. So I need to ground this car properly, and then I'm all set to go. Okay, all right. This top one is, yeah, this top one is good enough. Okay, so that's just the screw that holds this compartment tight, and that is the ground. That's what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna put this filter back on and start the car. Yes! I got it!